You are in the back corner of Jakopič Gallery and cannot go any further. The elongated floating frieze in front of you offers a movie-like immersion, invites you to view it from left to right. It is a symbolic place. The end for lots of us implies death, but for many it implies a caterpillar turning into a butterfly story. A Balinese Hindu tradition includes elements of older spiritual practices that blend with Buddhism and Hinduism, thus forming a distinct variance. It is a remnant of once vast and strong religious influence in the Southeast Asian region that lasted until the invasions during the 15th century. Photographer Fauzi Chango calls his project Samsara, a Sanskrit word meaning wandering or world, implying cyclical and circuitous change. He went to Bali to learn one important lesson for all of us. According to his own admission, it is about karma pala. What I do in this world will have consequences. This project marks the point where we will need to turn around and rediscover some already seen projects and to rethink one's own path within photography, transitions, transgressions, and engagement.